Good morning, everyone. Chirp, chirp. The day begins. Maybe there's still some food.
Oh no, we finished everything. Here, take this. You can have some.
Thank you. That's very kind. Help! The duckling fell into the pipe. Oh no! What do we do? I'm small enough. I will go in. Be careful, Snowy. Almost there. Keep going. He's safe! Snowy did it! You saved him! You're brave! Let's make Snowy a real home! She deserves it! This is for me?
Yes! You're family now!
Sweet dreams, Snowy. I've never been so happy. Friends stick together.